Kia ora everybody, it's Sonia here. Hey, wanted to have a quick chat with you about Plastic Free July. As you know, I'm on a wee bit of a thing about it. It's a big part of my life. You may have seen the video that I posted a week or so ago about the plastic that I found at my local beach. Absolutely did my head in, got me really, really fired up. So, as you may know, right now is Plastic Free July. Today is July the 5th, so forgive me, I'm running a few days behind, but I wanted just to check in with you, see how you're going, let you know how I'm going. So I have actually had a very mixed start to Plastic Free July. I haven't been as diligent as I could be. Eek! So what I wanted to do is I'm going to set a few challenges that I'm setting for myself this week, and next week I'm going to come to you with some new challenges. So first thing that I'm going to challenge you with today is coffee. I love coffee. I absolutely adore coffee. This is my coffee travel mug. Now since the start of January, I drink quite a bit of coffee. Sorry, but going out and about, I found myself last year, I was absolutely staggered when I started counting up the number of coffee cups, like takeaway coffee cups that I use. So from January 1st this year, I started taking this wee baby with me. This is my coffee mug. It is takes a medium-sized coffee here in New Zealand, easy to clean out. It's just so simple. Since I started making a conscious effort to take one of these with me, I have been able to reduce my impact to, I think I've had currently four takeaway coffees that weren't in this. All of them have been in biodegradable coffee mugs, like the cardboard ones. And the reason that they are in biodegradable is because I ask that question of the barista and of the cafe staff. So my challenge to you is, number one, take your own coffee mug. If you're going to be out and about, take one of these with you. If you don't have one with you, ask the barista, ask the staff, is that takeaway mug compostable or biodegradable? Ask them. Now, if they come back at you and say, oh, yeah, I think so, don't touch it with a barge pole. They either know or they don't know. It's either a yes straight away or it's anything other than yes. If they don't give you a yes, leave it behind. Now, if you really, really desperately want a coffee, you don't have one of these, and they don't have a biodegradable one, sit down. Take 5 minutes, sit down, have a coffee. It's not going to kill your day. Okay, number two, packaging. Now, I hate packaging, which is ironic because I sell stuff, jewellery, and it has to be packaged. But we can make some choices with our packaging. I went out yesterday, and had to buy a new cable for my mobile phone. So the packaging came in something like, the cable is like this long. It's ridiculous. It's thin. It's this long. It came in a package bigger than this. It had more plastic in it, in the packaging, than in the actual product itself. So my challenge to you is, you may think that as a consumer, we are at the whims of the retailers and of the manufacturers. Actually, turn that thinking around. The power is in your hands. My challenge to you is, if you can possibly say, no way, thank you very much to the plastic and cardboard packaging, do so. I was at a clothing store the other day, bought a pair of jeans. They came out with wads of tissue paper and fancy bags with all their branding on it, and I said, no thank you very much. I don't need that. I'll just take them with me. And they were shocked, but you can say that. You can say, no thank you. You can unpackage the packet and leave that packaging at the counter. When the retailers start to realise that we don't want that, they're the ones that have got to dispose of that material. They're going to start putting pressure on the manufacturers, because those products are going to start to change, and the evolution starts with you. You can make a difference. Okay. So that's number two. Number three, what have I got here? Oh, okay. I'm not so flash at this one. Number three is, yeah, these things. Plastic bags. Okay, so we all know that these things are shit for the environment, don't we? We know that these kill turtles, these kill whales, these break down eventually and get into our own food supply. We're ingesting this crap. So my challenge to me and my challenge to you, number 3, is reduce this. Now, we can all go, it's too hard. What happens if I get to the store and I haven't got any bags? These things. These. What happens if I haven't got any? Buy one. This cost me $1. $1. And I can fit a shitload more product, groceries in this than I can in this. This I can take back. This I can't. Okay, the choice is yours. It's simple. It really is up to you. So, in saying that, just do your best. Actually, do the very best that you can do in that situation. If you absolutely have to have a bag, try and get as many things in this one bag as you can instead of taking 3 of them. Do your best. Okay, now, the fourth challenge I have for you this week is something that, to be honest, I've really only become aware of myself. But, where are we? Recognise this? Receipts. Okay, now as a business person, I got into a really, really bad habit of collecting receipts. And I ask for a receipt for everything. Absolutely bloody unnecessary, to be perfectly honest with you, because unless I'm paying cash, everything's in an electronic transaction. Did you know most receipts worldwide are coated with BPA, bisphenol A? Now, it is a nasty product. It's been used to it's a chemical. It's been used to coat materials. You've heard of drink bottles, you've heard of the inside of tin cans. Lots and lots of things are coated with bisphenol, BPA. Receipts are not immune to that. So, they are not so flash for the environment. They are not flash for us even handling them. Not all receipts are coated with BPA. Ask the retailer and say, hey, look, are those, is that a thermal product? Does that have bisphenol? Is that a BPA coated product? Ask them. If they can't give you a categorical answer, just say no. Simple as that. Just say no. So that's my 4. Number 1, coffee. Take your own mug. Ask your retailer, ask your barista if it's biodegradable, or sit down and chill out. Number 2, what do I have for number 2? Packaging. Yes, where did I put it? I don't even know where I put it. Packaging. Say no. Leave the packaging behind. You have the power in your hands. Number 3, plastic bags. Do your best. Just do your best this week. See how you go. If you can't say no to this, if you absolutely have to have it, put as much crap in this as you possibly can. Have 1 instead of 3. Or grab one of these wee babies. Take it with you. Throw a few in the back of the car. Throw a few in your bag. 1 on your bike. Easy peasy. And number 4, receipts. Dum 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 dum. Say no. It's a no-brainer. Cool. Let me know how you get on this week, folks. I'll be posting next week as well with another 4 or 5 challenges, hopefully. And let's make this work. Let's make a better world. It's in our power. It's in our hands. Kia ora koutou. Tēnā koe.